Did you know that backer-on and rock-on screws have been discontinued? Fortunately, in my opinion, it's probably for the better. Originally there was a difference, but it's a little confusing and they were in fact quite similar. Rock-on screws were typically used for cement boards like Durock, which are a little bit more brittle. They're designed to cut and clean and sit flush without breaking up the board. Backer-on screws were more geared towards fiber cement boards like HardieBacker board. So these screws have a slightly more aggressive thread to really pull the board in tight. But here's where things have changed. A lot of brands have started combining or rebranding them as just cement board screws, including these screws, which have now been aptly named backer-on, rock-on screws. So instead of choosing between the two, you're usually just grabbing one box that's meant to handle both jobs. And frankly, for most people, that's just fine. Modern cement board screws are designed to work across different materials, so you don't have to overthink it like you used to. The bigger mistake now isn't choosing between the two, it's actually using drywall screws, which will rust out and fail over time in moisture-prone areas. So here's the simple takeaway. Backer-on and rock-on used to be more specific, now they're mostly combined into general cement board screws. And as long as you're using the right type of screw, not drywall screws, you're gonna be just fine. If you wanna get picky, yeah, you can still match the screw type to board, but for most installs today, just grab a quality cement board screw that's rated for wet areas and you'll be just fine. You can still find backer-on and rock-on screws in stores, but they're listed as while supplies last and they're being phased out. Hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns. Have a great day.